Okay, so seeing as how you've said you have tried everything, as in you've tried using local, normal, etc. I'm assuming since it sounds like you're trying to say that uh, your orientation is still wanting to be locked on the global axes. And I think maybe possibly the reason for that is you might have possibly applied the transforms already for where your door, I assume it's a door, is. In which case, if you do that, so right now I haven't done that, but so therefore, if I change my orientation of my transforms to local, you can see how it switches, sort of along like what I guess it assumes the normal would be. So therefore, I'd be able to move it left and right like this, and it's no longer locked on the actual global axes. However, if I apply my object transforms, now when I go to local, it won't switch that view and it'll still be locked on the axes. So I'm assuming maybe that's your problem, in which case you would have to go to the direction at which when you do move it left and right, it would actually be going in this direction. So you'd need to face that direction and then you'd have to go to view. And that would be like your last option aside from grabbing it, which I realize is not going to make it go in an exactly straight line. Hopefully that helps. Otherwise, you might be kind of stuck.